Good morning, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and we're doing another block from Tenlee's Puzzle. It is a great block that uses some of the things that we've already done. Here is the block. We have already done half square triangles. We've done a square in the square, and the parts that's different on this one is just the two strips on the sides, in which, very simple, just sew the two together, press to the dark, and that takes care of that one. Our square in the square is a little bit different because it is done twice. I've already done the first one, which was very like the last block we did. But now this time we're going to add one more round of triangles, so we're putting kind of a square in a square in a square. And this can be done multiple times. Now, like the last time, it's nice to know the center of our triangle, and it doesn't make any difference if you want to fold them right sides together or wrong sides together. We just need to know where that center is by making that little crease, because we know the center on this one is right here. And we want to line that little crease up with this point. So I'll line it up. And I'm going to go from what I would call the kind of the back side, so that I've got my pin right in the top of that point. I can now line up that little crease. Line right straight up with that crease. Whoops. There we go, come right through on that crease. Line my triangle up. And set the other pin in, pull it out. And then I do want to sew this one from the back side so I can see right where those seams cross, because that's my goal, is to cross right there so that I'm not going to cut off my tip, but I'll create a nice intersection there. Let's see, right there. Then line up the other side. And I've got my triangle squared. I didn't cut off a point. I've already pressed this triangle. I'm going to do it real quick here so that we have full triangle. Oops. About a 1/4 inch. You want to be about a 1/4 inch lined up. Change the pins real quick. And then we're going to do another. Oops, there we go. Find my intersection and cross right there. Once I have them on there, then I need to press. And you'll notice these will naturally want to press outward. I get my black done. We have these wonderful dog ears to clip off. Get them out of the way. And then we line up our sections. Whoops. And we have them all put together, and then I would sew the center one to the left, center to the left, center to left, and then add these, and then come back and sew my rows together to finish my block. So that is our block today with our Puzzle. If you enjoy our videos, go down and click the thank you button. Check out our website at junctionfabric.com. And thank you for watching us here at Fabric Junction.